emojis.
Hey, glad you came back. So it's Valentine's Day, right? I mean, when you see this, it's going to be after Valentine's Day. So what I want to do, I want to, of course, cook a little something for Mama Shra. You know, long days, hard work, get home. She's going to have it. So I put it on a large or extra large turkey platter that you've seen me use during the holidays. And I did that because I wanted her to have room. Okay. Give it that sort of kind of wow factor when you put it in front of her. Okay. And then plus, I know she's going to be eating, get into it good. Ain't no food tends to get flung around. It will stay on the plate. So what I'm cooking for, or what I made for, is a New York strip. Okay, I made mashed potatoes. I made corn on the cob that were cut up into nice little coins there. Also, I made haricot vert, sauteed those, which are not more than French green beans. Okay. Also made a green peppercorn cream sauce to go with the potatoes and the steak. Okay. Now, any of these videos are, if I've cooked these on my channel, the iCard is going to show up and you can go in there and watch the videos if you haven't already seen them. So let's sit back and preview, if you will, what I made for, right? This is going to be real short and sweet. Hope you enjoy it. And for the dessert, it is a chocolate ice cream teddy bear. Yeah, I molded the chocolate ice cream into a sleeping teddy bear, and I put that on top of a cloud of whipped cream. Hope you enjoy the preview.
Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard.
Okay, you saw the food, you know she loved it. In the little creamer, it had it in the little container fork in case she needed more, and she did. She liked it. Also, the dessert. Now the bear, she loved the bear. Okay, she loved the dessert bear, but it was so cute to her, she would not eat it. Wouldn't eat it. So she got another bowl of ice cream with whipped cream on it, and she enjoyed that while we watched that poor little bear melt down to nothing. What a way to go. I told her I'd ate it. Anyway, but it was overall, it was good to go. Except for her watching the bear go to that slow, melty demise, but it was good. Then you also saw I did give her a bear with some chocolates and stuff, and she's a big fan of Kit Kat, so she got a Kit Kat box additionally. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, hey, subscribe. Join the peanut gallery. You know our arms are open, and we'll leave the light on for you so you can always find yourself to us, even in the dark. Also, if we're not connected on Instagram, go to Instagram, put my name in, Shra, look for the gray cat, and let's connect. So then that way you're always in the know, because what I try to do, if I put a video up, it goes on Instagram, the notification of it gets put on Instagram, the preview if you will, before it goes to YouTube. Having said that, guess I have to finish cleaning up. She's still grubbing. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Happy Valentine's Day, and may the rest of your month be special and loving.